So hey guys, what's up? Today I'm going to be teaching you a very powerful strategy, which is actually called the Fibonacci retracement strategy. Personally, this strategy has actually made me make so much money in the forex market, and I'm going to be teaching you guys. This is actually part of the strategies I use to make money. Now, there are many times you ask yourself, how so let me show you guys from the chart. How well is the market going to pull back before I enter into a trade? Now, what do I actually mean? Let us imagine you're actually going in an uptrend. The market is going in an uptrend. It's going up and down. I told you an uptrend is higher highs and higher lows. Do you understand? Now, if the market makes an higher high and is trying to pull back, how would you know how well it is going to pull back so that you can actually enter in for a buy? Do you guys understand? So looking at the chart right now, the market was going on a downtrend, so market went down. So how would you know how well the market will go up before you actually enter for a sell so that you can keep selling? I told you, when market is on a downtrend, what you should be looking for is actually, you should be looking for sell possibilities, and if market is going up, you should look for buy possibilities. So on the trading view, I taught you guys how to use trading view already. At this point here, you come here and you see Fibonacci retracement. Now, before we start, if you tap on the Fibonacci retracement, like this, right? You actually need to set your Fibonacci retracement first. You need to set it. See the settings right here. Look at it. You have to unselect all these ones here. They're actually unnecessary, and all these values here, you guys should actually copy it onto your trading view. These are actually the most important. These are actually the important values you guys need to actually implement in your trading view. So just take a screenshot right now, go to your trading view, tap on the Fibonacci, tap on settings in Fibonacci, then go to style, mark all this. That's 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. Then put 0, put 0.382, put all these values there, then tap OK. So that's the first thing you guys need to do. Then let me continue the teaching. So how would you know if market was selling, right? Imagine you guys are not seeing all these things here. So imagine the market is selling. How would you know how well the market is going to sell? How well the market is going to buy before it goes down again, and how well the market is going to buy before it goes down again? So it comes to Fibonacci. You understand? Fibonacci is actually I don't know, they said it was found in a very long time, that a lot of things actually has Fibonacci like in our day-to-day life, and they actually tested it in trading, and it actually works very well, and I'm super excited to teach you guys about it. So when you tap on your Fibonacci, right, you actually come to the highest. If it's actually a downtrend, you should be plotting your Fibonacci downward, and if it's actually an uptrend, you should actually be plotting your Fibonacci upward. So right now, you actually, looking at Fibonacci, it's up here. This is actually your Fibonacci. You come to your wick. Don't look at the body. No, you come to your wick. You tap on it, right? Then you drag below. You drag below, and you come to your lowest, to the lowest part of your what? Of that particular trend. Do you guys understand? So let me try to do a replay tool. Let me try to use the replay tool. So let us imagine that at this point, we are not actually seeing what has happened in the future, right? So all we just saw at this point is market went up and market is reversing, and because of we are seeing this, we are seeing that we are close to a support. That's one. We are seeing that markets, the candles are a bit smaller, and we can see this wick right here. It shows that market wants to actually move up. I told you, even though market is actually moving in a downtrend, market will actually have to come down, go up, come down, go up. You understand? Market moves like that. So we know that market wants to go up, and we actually want to sell. It's not, I told you guys, it's not advisable for you to just place a sale here. The best thing, anytime you want to actually place a sale or place a buy, it is during the retracement. You understand? So if you place a sale right here, market will first go up, giving you guys loss, before it actually comes down. So you wait for market to what? To pull back a bit. You enter for a sell then when market start coming down, you start making so much profit. So now let's go. So at this point in time, you know our market is about to go up, but you don't know. Let me play it. See, but you don't know how well market is going to go up. That's where the Fibonacci comes to play. You understand? So you tap on your Fibonacci. From this top right here, you tap on it, then you drag it to this side. You understand? To the lowest of this particular trend. Do you guys understand? So you're plotting from up to down if it's actually a downtrend. So if you've actually copied the values I gave you guys at the beginning, you actually wait for market to get into this 50% or this 38.2 or this 61.8, but most of the times it is market actually comes to this 50%. Then from here you can actually start selling. Do you guys understand? So let us see what market did. So market played, came to where? Came to this 50%. You can see how it touched it right here before market started selling. This thing works like magic, honestly. So you can actually use this to like make so much money. So let us imagine, okay, let me give you guys a actually good example. So let us imagine the market was going up. They want to know where market is going to return to. You know, I told you guys, what do? Use your Fibonacci tool. You understand? So this is actually an uptrend. You guys understand? So from this week right here, you plot your Fibonacci going up. You understand? Fibonacci going up. What did market do? Market came down to this side, came to the 61.8 zone, and this 78 came to this particular side. Why did market come here? Because this place is an area of value. Market has restarted here, retested here. So market came to this side. Then what the market started doing? Market went all the way up to start forming a downtrend. You understand? Now Fibonacci is actually so nice. It actually works so well. So let us imagine now. Just let us use this big trend. Let's use this big trend. Right? Okay, so just bear with me. I want us to use a big trend and I want to like show you guys how Fibonacci works. So just stay with me. So from here, this is actually the Fibonacci tool. We show that market is moving an uptrend. At this point in time, we saw that there's a wick. We saw little candles and we saw bearish momentum. So where are we going to enter for a buy? Where are we going to enter for a buy so that we can actually ride this trend? I told you to ride the trend always. So we come to our Fibonacci tool right here. What do we do from here? We drag it all the way to the top. You understand? All the way to the top, right? All the way to the top. And what did market do? So market actually, from here, market went up, came down to this 50%. You understand? The market started buying. Do you guys understand? Trust me, guys, if you can put Fibonacci into the chart with your technical analysis, trust me, guys, you will make so much money. You understand? Anytime I see that market is already in the downtrend, and I'm like, okay, so I want to ride the wave, I want to go for a sell. You understand? I want to make money right now. All I need to do is just to put in my Fibonacci retracement. So, you understand? I wait for market to get to that 50% place. I wait for some candlestick confirmations. Then I actually enter on a sell. I have to like show you guys here. So it's not look like I actually went to the ones that Fibonacci is working. So, and I actually showed you guys. That's all. Okay. So let me give you guys one more example, right? Let me give you guys one more example. So from here, where's the Fibonacci? This is the Fibonacci right here. So from here, do you guys understand? So from here, you can see this trend. You understand? Market was going up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down. You understand? So from here, we saw markets go all the way to this top. Do you guys understand? So market came all the way to this top. You understand? It's actually just one line you're going to use. You understand? You're going to just use one line. So what the market do? Market went here, came to this place, and market was coming down. But we don't know how well markets will actually come down. You understand? Then we saw markets play from the little candles. Market came down close to the 50%. We saw candlestick confirmation. Then market actually bought. This is actually if you are scalping. You understand? If you are scalping, this is exactly what you would do. Trust me, guys. Fibonacci works like magic. It's actually on your MetaTrader 4. So, and is actually on your trading view. And trust me, if you can implement the Fibonacci tool in your trading journey or in your technical analysis, you will definitely make money. See you guys in the next class. I love you all. Peace.